You've seen AI in phones, cars, and even vacuum robots. But now it's cooking. Literally. In 2025, artificial intelligence has quietly moved into the kitchen, and it's not just about smart timers or recipe apps anymore. These new gadgets actually think, learn, and adapt to your habits, making cooking faster, cleaner, and a lot more fun. So today, let's go through 10 AI-powered cooking tools that every home chef should seriously try, whether you're cooking for one or running a family kitchen that never stops. 10. Samsung Bespoke AI Oven. Let's start with one of the smartest ovens ever made. The Samsung Bespoke AI Oven doesn't just heat food, it literally recognizes what you put inside. There's a built-in camera and AI software trained on thousands of food images. You slide in a tray of chicken, and it instantly detects what it is, sets the right mode, and adjusts the cooking time for perfect results. I've seen it identify a frozen pizza, a sheet pan of veggies, even homemade lasagna, and it gets it right every time. You can monitor everything from your phone through SmartThings, or even tell Alexa or Google Assistant to preheat while you're still prepping ingredients. It's perfect for busy evenings when you just want dinner handled without hovering around the oven door. 9. Chef IQ Smart Cooker. If you like one-pot meals, this is a no-brainer. The Chef IQ Smart Cooker looks like an Instant Pot, but it's far smarter. It has built-in scales, temperature sensors, and Wi-Fi connectivity. So when you toss in rice, lentils, or chicken, the AI actually calculates how much you added and auto-adjusts the cooking time and pressure. The companion Chef IQ app feels like a guided cooking coach. It gives you voice prompts, video steps, and even recommends spices or sauces based on what's already in your pot. It connects with Google Home, Alexa, and Apple HomeKit, so you can start, stop, or check cooking progress with your voice. It's like having a pressure cooker that learns your family's eating habits over time. Number 8. GE Profile Smart Mixer with AutoSense. Now, if you bake bread, cupcakes, or whipped cream, this one will blow your mind. The GE Profile Smart Mixer with AutoSense uses torque sensors to feel your dough. It literally measures the resistance in real time and knows when to stop mixing. So if you tend to over-whip or under-knead, it saves your recipe automatically. It connects through the Smart HQ app, which tracks your recipes, stores your preferences, and even shows visual progress on your phone. I've seen it sync with SmartThings and Alexa, so you can start mixing while your oven preheats, totally hands-free. It's like the stand mixer version of a self-driving car, but for baking. Number 7. Brava Smart Oven. This one feels like something from the future. The Brava Smart Oven uses light-based cooking. It literally cooks food using high-intensity visible and infrared light. And here's where the AI comes in. It can cook 3 different foods on one tray at the same time, each to its perfect temperature. Salmon, asparagus, and potatoes, all ready together, none overdone. You can monitor everything through the Brava app, which lets you see a live feed from inside the oven. It also updates with new recipes and cooking modes, just like a smartphone. If you've got a small kitchen but love to cook a variety of meals, this thing replaces your toaster oven, air fryer, and even your microwave. Number 6. Drop Scale and Drop Recipes app. This one doesn't look high-tech at first, it's just a sleek little scale. But once you connect it to the Drop Recipes app, it becomes a complete AI-driven cooking assistant. It weighs ingredients as you add them, then adjusts recipes automatically. Say you're halfway through making pancakes and realize you're short on flour. It instantly recalculates the ratios for you. Or maybe you want to double a cookie recipe. It does the math, adjusts cook time, and even updates your recipe book for next time. It syncs beautifully with Thermomix TM6, Instant Pot, and Anova sous vide cookers. It's the perfect gadget for anyone who likes precision without the hassle of measuring cups and conversions. Number 5. June Smart Oven Plus. The June Smart Oven Plus was one of the first appliances to bring real AI recognition into the kitchen, and it's only gotten better. Inside, there's a wide-angle HD camera and a neural network that identifies what you're cooking. Toss in a tray of cookies, and it automatically switches to bake mode and sets the right timer. You can control it with Alexa, Google Assistant, or the June app, which even shows a live cooking stream right on your phone. It reminds me a lot of having a sous chef that never blinks, always watching, always learning. And the results are consistently impressive. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, every single time. Number 4, Anova Precision Cooker Nano 3.0. Sous vide used to sound like something only restaurant chefs could pull off, but now it's easier than boiling pasta. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano 3.0 uses algorithms to control water temperature with insane precision, within zero point 0.1 degrees F. You connect it to the Anova app, pick your protein, steak, chicken, eggs, and it tells you exactly how long and at what temperature to cook. It learns from your history, so if you always prefer your steak medium rare, it saves that as your default. Pair it with FoodSaver vacuum bags, and you've got restaurant-level cooking right from your countertop. Number 3, Thermomix TM6. If there's one device that could replace half your kitchen appliances, it's this one. The Thermomix TM6 can chop, steam, weigh, blend, knead, simmer, and sauté, all under AI guidance. Its recipe platform, Cookadoo, includes over 80,000 guided recipes that automatically set speed, heat, and time for you. It's connected via Wi-Fi, constantly updating itself with new recipes and features, and integrates easily with home connect systems. You can literally walk away while it preps dinner, from risotto to Thai curry, and it'll text you when it's ready to plate. This is one of those rare gadgets that really earns its counter space. Number 2, Perfect Company Smart Scale Pro. This AI-powered scale works with Perfect Bake, Perfect Drink, and Perfect Blend apps, and it's a game changer for anyone who tracks calories or macros. It doesn't just weigh, it understands ratios and adapts recipes based on your goals. Let's say you're making smoothies and trying to cut sugar. The app suggests fruit swaps and recalculates macros on the fly. It also syncs with MyFitnessPal, Apple Health, and Fitbit, so your nutrition data updates automatically. It's an underrated tool for precision cooking and healthier eating, especially if you meal prep or follow specific diets. Number 1, XBloom Smart Coffee Machine. And at number 1, the XBloom Smart Coffee Machine. Designed by ex-Apple engineers, this thing brings AI precision into something as everyday as coffee. You drop in a pod, and it automatically scans it, recognizing bean type, grind size, and roast profile. From there, it adjusts the water temperature, flow rate, and brew time, all personalized to that specific bean. The result? Coffee that genuinely tastes cafe level every time. It syncs with Apple HomeKit, connects to your phone over Wi-Fi, and even remembers your favorite cup settings. If your mornings start with coffee, this machine turns them into a quiet ritual that feels high-end but effortless, like having a barista who knows your preferences better than you do. AI isn't replacing chefs. It's just making home cooking smarter, cleaner, and more consistent. Whether it's an oven that recognizes your meal, a cooker that knows your portions, or a coffee maker that understands your roast profile, each of these gadgets is designed to make your kitchen feel like it's finally caught up with 2025. If you want to check any of these out, links are in the description below. And if you already use any AI kitchen gadgets, drop your experience in the comments. I'd love to know which one actually made your cooking easier.